In this video, I will show you how to fix the Steam Cloud Sync error. To get started, open up the Steam app, and what you want to do once you're logged in is come up to the top left hand corner of Steam, click onto Steam up here, and then click to open up your settings. Once you've opened up your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto Cloud. And from here, you want to make sure that Enable Steam Cloud is turned on. If it's not turned on, turn it on, and then close down your settings. Once you've done that, come up to the top, click onto library to come to your games library, and then find the game that you're currently having this problem with. So I'm going to use this one as an example, and what you want to do is right click onto the game, come and click onto properties, and from the properties window you want to come over to the left and click onto installed files. Now from this screen you want to click the button here which says verify integrity of game files. It can take a couple of minutes for this to complete, but you just want that to run through and complete fully to see if that fixes the problem. Once the process has finished, you can close down the settings window from here and see if you're now able to launch and play the game. Now at this point, if you're still experiencing the error, the next thing you can do is come up to the top left hand corner of Steam, click on Steam, and what you want to do is again open up your Steam settings, and this time what you want to do is come over to the left and click onto storage. Now from here you want to come up to the storage bar at the top, click onto the three dots to the right hand side of the storage bar, and you're going to see an option to repair library. Give that a click and there's going to be a permission window that comes up. Just click yes, and what it's going to do is repair your Steam library. After doing this, you can then try again to see if you're able to play the game without the cloud sync error. Now, after repairing your Steam library, what you want to do is fully close down and restart Steam. So just close this down, close down Steam, and from your desktop, make sure you come down to the bottom right hand corner, click onto the arrow which says show hidden icons, and on the Steam logo, right click and click onto exit Steam to fully exit out of Steam. What you can then do is restart Steam and see if you're now able to play the game. If that didn't work for you, another thing you can do once you've got Steam opened is come up to the top left hand corner, click on Steam, open again your settings, and this time you want to come and click onto downloads. From here, scroll down a bit and click the button which says to clear your download cache. So as you can see, it says clearing the download cache may potentially resolve issues downloading or starting apps. So clear your cache, and once that's done, see if that fixes the problem. If not, what I would recommend doing is a full uninstall and reinstallation of Steam on your computer or laptop, which should fix any bugs or problems causing the cloud sync error and enable you to play games again. So that is how to fix Steam cloud sync error. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more simple Steam and tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.